So a couple of things that have come up lately as we've been working with other partners. What if we have clients that are already trained on using other forms for different purposes? In some cases, maybe they're already trained on using forms out of Halo. Maybe they're using JotForm. Maybe they're using Microsoft Forms for different things. So what I want to do today is demo a concept of how we can take other automation solutions like Power Automate as an example and tie that back into Rewst automations. So in the example today, this is going to start off with something as simple as a Microsoft form. In this case, this is just a simple process automation request form. So someone fills out the form. And when they submit that form, we're passing that through a workflow here in Power Automate. So we have the trigger method here, and the first thing that we have is the trigger is when a new response is submitted via form. The next thing that we're doing is we're loading the response ID from that response. And then we move into an action where we basically build essentially a JSON template with each of our question responses that we get. So once we have that template established, we're then able to use an HTTP action here, where we simply have a Rewst webhook trigger created, and we create a body that we use in this compose action previously. So as we do that, on the Rewst side, we have a simple trigger set up as a webhook listener. Nothing fancy, it's all the standard defaults. And of course, we have a webhook secret key that's set up here. And as we look at the execution results, we'll see that we're able to successfully record all of those form inputs directly from a Microsoft form through Power Automate and able to pass that back into Rewst. So with just a little bit of effort on the Power Automate side, we're able to take things out of other solutions and pass those back into Rewst to build them and expand out on our automation capabilities inside of Rewst.